shortcut to switch between virtual machine and host operating system? Okay, so I have Windows 8 and am running Ubuntu as a VM using vmware-player. I have my laptop hooked up to an external monitor, so I have the VM full screen on my laptop and Windows 8 on the monitor. What I want is, suppose I have a Word document opened up in Windows 8 but I'm typing in my VM right now and I want to quickly switch to the Word document in Windows 8. Is there a keyboard shortcut? Way to create a keyboard shortcut to switch between the VM and host operating system? Because moving the mouse and clicking between the VM and host operating system is getting a bit annoying.
You can use Ctrl plus Alt to escape the VM and use Alt plus Tab to switch to it again. To let the VM grab your input, try pressing Ctrl plus G when vmware-player is focused. This at least works in VMware Workstation.
Switch button.